Hi, my name is Lisa and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share some meals that I had this week when I tried to use up what I have in my pantry and my fridge and my freezer. So here I'm showing you what I have, like some pasta, some oat rice, some tagliatelle, some taco bread, and also some sauce in the beginning, some lasagna noodles, and some sauce packages, some curry sauce, and also there I think is some instant mashed potatoes. So that's in the one of the pantries. Here is some potato and broccoli soup and all my spices that I have. And in the freezer I have a very small freezer. I have some potato buns left, some fish sticks, and I also have some meatballs that I don't show here, but we have that as well. And some other hot dog buns, and I think I can make quite a lot with the things I have in my fridge and freezer. So today it's Monday and we are gonna have some dinner soon. We're gonna make a very easy dinner. I'm gonna make some classic meatballs. I'm just gonna fry them up in my pan, and for that I have just this tagliatelle to go with it, and I also have some broccoli in my freezer that I'm gonna use up. And we have two of those cheese schnitzels left. They look like this, so I will have them as well for those who don't want my meatballs, because we wanna try to use up everything we have in our freezer, because soon we have to buy a lot of other things. Coming up my 40th birthday, and it's a lot of things that I'm gonna make, so we're gonna use up the freezer for that. So this is a super simple meal, and you will see when I cooking up and serving it. So now I have just add some broccoli into the water, so it has to boil a bit. Here is the meatballs and the schnitzels, and here I'm just waiting for the water to boil. So here is the first meal with the meatballs, the tagliatelle, broccoli, and ketchup. This is actually my son's plate, and I just had the cheese schnitzel with some spaghetti, broccoli, and also made a sweet and sour sauce with creme fraiche and sweet and sour sauce mixed together. I also had a can of tuna fish in my pantry, so I made just some tuna melts one day, and also a little mandarin or cutie on the side as well. And I also drank some blueberry soup that is very popular in Sweden. So now it's dinner time again, and I just had some meatballs left that I had to use up, and also some of these curly fries, and I also added some of these veggies on the side. So I will just add some oil and some spices on top, maybe just some salt and some pepper or something, and just all of this in the oven and serve it like this. And also I'm gonna make like a sauce, maybe a béarnaise sauce on the side as well. So that's the dinner that we will have today. So today it's soup on the menu. I will make this package that is already, you just blend this with water, it says here, and just stir it around and let it boil for about 10 minutes. And then in the end you're gonna add some milk. And I'm also gonna make some of these bacon bits that you can see here, that I'm gonna top the soup with. And also I will do some cheese bread, and I am also gonna boil this corn on the cob. So I just took like a scissor and did the bacon bits a bit smaller, so we can top the soup with those. I'm also gonna have, like I said before, some cheese bread or quesadillas. We had some tacos, I think, last week, and we had some bread over. So I will use them with some cheese that we have in the fridge. So you can have that also with the soup if you want to. Here is the tortilla breads that I have left. So I will just take them out and put some of this Tex-Mex cheese on top, and I will fry them up in the pan after I have fried my bacon here. So now the bacon has just stayed here on the papers to take all the grease off, and I'm gonna use that like a well, on top of the soup. So here you will see the soup with the bacon bits and some extra cheese. It was a really good soup. I really like it. The kids was not so fond of it, but they tried anyway, and that's a win in my opinion. And the bread, cheese bread, and the corn on the cob. So this will be the last meal that I will show you. This is the potato buns. I had a lot of them left. It was like a family pack, and I just had used up half of it, so I took the rest of it. And I'm gonna serve this with some lingonberry preserves and carrots that I had in my fridge, in one of the fridges that I have, and also some tomatoes that I had left. And I also had some cucumber, but I had to save that for another day. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour in my fridge, in one of them. I have not so much, as you can see. I have used up quite a bit. It's more like breakfast items and things like that. Some cream and blueberry soup, some juice or ketchup, some butter, some lemonade, and some things like that, some medication over there, and like soy sauce and things like that. As I said, I don't have some large pantry and freezer, but I have 2 fridges. So here is the last meal again. I just had added some hamburgers and some sausages on the side as well that I had left. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you soon in my next video. Bye!